Hey guys, welcome back to episode 2 of Keep Up With.
Kiari.
I'm Dad and you are?
Kiari.
You're funny, dude. So today we will be working on addition and subtraction. And the first page, we'll have 2, 4, 5 pages to do. So we'll be working on our math. And hold on, let's lock in. No twirling in your chair, right? We try that like we're at school, so we want to focus. So it says addition in the sky. Add the numbers in each balloon. So these balloon, this balloon, and this balloon. It says if all of the sums do not equal the number on the basket. So this number has a basket. This basket has a number. This basket has a number, and then this basket. So this is a basket. That's the balloon. Cross out the balloon. So let's do 6 plus 2. So here, grab it. Here you do. And then grab 6.
6, 7, 8.
Good job, baby. Okay, so do this one.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good job, baby.
8 again.
Yeah, for that one at least. So I want you to say out the problem, right? So that people are watching can hear. I want you to say 2 plus 6, and then or on this one you did 4 plus 4. So you'll say 4 plus 4, and you say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my answer is 8, okay? So go ahead, do that one.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There you go, so what's your answer?
8.
Good job. I have a question.
What?
So why were you a little hesitant when you did 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Is it because that number is 6, so you thought about stopping? Okay, so this is what Daddy wants to help you with really quickly. When you're doing these right here with your grab method, I think your grab method is super cool, right? But always grab the bigger number first, okay? So when you're doing 2 plus 6, which one is bigger, 2 or 6? Which one is more?
6.
Okay, so grab 6. So 6,
6,
7,
8.
There you go. So you see how it's easier? So try it on this one.
2.
Nope, which one is bigger, 2 or 7?
7, 8, 9.
There you go. So what's your answer?
9.
Okay. So remember it says, if all of the sums do not equal the number on the basket, this is 8, then cross out the balloon. So is all those numbers the same? Nope, so cross it out.
The 8.
You could cross out the balloon. Put an X on the balloon. There you go. Good job. So now we're gonna do this one.
3, 4.
There you go. Good job, baby. That look kind of like a 9. Let's do our 4s like this. That way your line can be longer, okay?
Okay.
But it's still good.
2, 3, 4.
Good job. Good job, baby. So what does this problem say? 4 plus what?
0.
So how do you do it?
0. 4.
And then plus
5.
No. Plus 0.
40.
No. So I know we've been working on multiplication all summer, and remember we said anything times 0 in multiplication is 0. But 4 plus 0 in addition or subtraction is just the number that you see. Okay? So 4 plus 0, 0 is 0. So we just have how many left?
4.
There you go. So that's your answer. Good job. And go to the
3,
next.
4.
Good job. So are all those numbers the same?
Yeah.
Okay, we leave that one. Okay, let's go to this one.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Good job, baby.
5, 6, 7.
Good job.
6, 7,
Good job.
3, 4, 3,
No.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Good job, baby. Good way to fix yourself. That's where you take your time, baby. So what I want you to do is, I want you to always, when you get homework or you get classwork, I want you to just look at it for a second. Don't rush into it, okay? And then you like figure it out. Let your brain understand what is being asked to do, okay? But that was really good. So 1 plus 3 is what?
4,
And then 4 plus 0,
4,
3 plus 1,
4,
okay, 5 plus 2.
7,
See, slow down a little bit, baby. 2 plus 5,
7,
3 plus 4,
7,
4 plus 3.
7.
Good job. So, worksheet 1 is complete. I think that was a good little brain, little teaser to wake them up. And then now we're gonna move into a little bit bigger numbers, right? And it's still the same exercise. So if all of the numbers aren't the same as 15, then we cross it out, okay? So
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
good job. So what's your answer?
15.
Yep.
And 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Good job, baby.
Eight, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Good job.
Nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14?
What did you count?
5 fingers.
Okay, so what was your answer?
14.
Okay, trust yourself. Always trust yourself, baby, okay?
Okay.
So does all those equal 15? All those say 15?
Nope.
Okay, so put an X to it. Hold it with your other hand, baby. Stop putting your hand on your face. We locked in.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's do those ones.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so look, this is the equation, okay? So what I want you to say is 5 plus 5, and then do your graph method. So 7 plus 3, then do your graph method, okay?
7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job, baby. So I want you to say it out loud, okay? So I want you to say 7 plus 3, and then do 7, 8, 9, 10, okay?
Okay.
So try for that one.
8
Plus,
plus 2,
and then now do your graph method.
8, 9, 10.
Good job. That's really good.
2 plus 8, 9, 10.
Good job. That was really good. So does all those equal the same number? Yep, so that one is good to stay.
3 plus
So look, slow down a little bit, okay?
3.
So first I want you, all right, Daddy will do it first, right? So first I want you to just say it. Before you move your hands or anything, just say 3 plus 9, and then you come back and you grab the bigger number, which is 9, okay? So then you can say 9, 10, 11, 12,
12.
okay? So now you try it.
3 plus 9,
Okay?
9, 10, 11, 12.
Good job. That's really good right there. Good job.
9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Great job. That's really good, baby. Good job.
We got 2 more.
Yep, we gotta finish that page, the back of that page, and then we got these pages.
Okay.
And then that's it.
Okay. 7 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good job.
8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good job, baby. 6. Do they all match the box?
Mhm.
Okay. Now let's do this one.
3 plus 3, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job.
Because it says it down the bottom.
Yeah, but that's not always gonna be the answer though.
Yeah.
Remember? Because if you think that, then what about that one? That says 15, but then 5 plus 9 was 14.
Yeah.
So you can't guess it.
Okay. 4 plus 1, 4, 5.
Good job.
1 plus 4, 4, 5.
Good job.
2 plus 4, 4, 5, 6.
Good job. You see how all those aren't the same?
Yeah.
So if you would have tried to trick it or try to cheat it and then just write 6 every time, then you'd have been wrong because those 2 are 5, those 2 are 6. Yeah, big X. Good job. So that was really good. So now we're switching it up a little bit and it says, go fish. Finish the fat families. Write the missing numbers. So right here, we're gonna do 4 plus 7, right? But on this one, I want you to really pay attention, okay? Because it's called the fat family. What the fat family is, that'll help you on this one, then you do this one yourself, right?
Okay.
The fat family, you do these. We're gonna do all of them together, right? But I want you to understand what the fat family is. Not looking at this, right? The fat family says that 1 plus 2 equals 3, right? But then 3 minus 2 equals 1. Those are all the same numbers. It's just if you rearrange them differently, you'll get a different number. Like one of those 3 numbers has to be the answer, always. 1, 2, and 3. If you do 3 minus 2 equals 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3, right? That's called a fat family. So right here, you read that out. What does that say?
4 plus 7.
Okay, what does that equal? Do your grab method.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Good job. Okay, now just pause for a second, right? Because Daddy always tell you to use your brain because you're very, very smart, right? I want you to look at these and see if it's all in the same family. I mean, they all have to have the same numbers, right? When you're doing it, just pay attention that you have to use the same number. So all of these are going to use a 4, a 7, and an 11. So if you have an 11 and a 7 already, then you know what you're missing, a 4, right? So I'm just going to tell you that answer is going to be 4. But that's how you just use they're going to try to use little trick questions to try to get you. But if you understand what it's asking, then you could be ahead of that, okay? Okay, so go ahead, do that one. So
7 plus 11.
Nope. So 7 plus blank equals 11. So in the fat family, you see how this one? 7 plus 4 equals 11, right? So 7 plus what equals 11? What was right here?
4.
Yep, so put 4 right there. So this one, it's math, but it's also just paying attention to what's being asked, okay? Okay, so now we're doing subtraction, right?
Mm-hmm.
But these already give you the answer, and I know for the viewers out there, they may say you don't want to give them the answer, but if you honestly teach your kids to just look at what's being asked, it takes all of the difficulty out of the problem and just makes them more so pay attention. So 11 now minus what equals 7. So you can't put 11 fingers up, right? You can grab 11. You can use your same grab method. You can say 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, right? So let's try that. Grab 11.
11.
And then count down.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7.
There you go. So put 4 right there.
4?
Yep. So the difference with math the difference with addition and subtraction, when you're doing addition, you grab 7 and you said 8, 9, 10, 11, right? And you have 4 fingers up. And then the same with the subtraction, you saying 11, and then you're saying 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So you're still gonna have the same amount of fingers. It's just your answer is gonna be a little different when you're doing adding and subtraction, okay? So try that one. Let me see.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7.
See? I'm good. I'm glad you made that mistake, right? Because then this is just a learning curve. And that's what I was trying to say. 11 minus 7 now. So now with your fingers, you can get a little confused because now when you grab 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, how many fingers do you have up?
4.
Yep. So that's going to be your answer. But I want to stop there because this is a pivotal point right here in math on how it can get tricky if you don't pay attention to it, right? So when you did 11 minus 4, you said 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. You had 4 fingers up, but you said the answer, right? So 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 7 was the last number you said. That was the answer, right? And it had 4 fingers. However, now when you're saying 11 minus 7, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, right? So you said 7, but 7 isn't the answer this time. Yeah, you see how it gets tricky?
Yeah.
Because now 7 isn't the answer that you said, 4 is the answer that you're showing. So you just kind of got to pay attention, right? Like, always trust your hands, right? Always trust your fingers for the most part, I would say. That is, am I right? Or am I tripping? Right? Like, 11, because if it was like, let's say if it was 6 instead of, if it was 10 instead of 11. So then you could say 10 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it'd be 6. And then you could say 10 minus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then it'll be 3. The number will always be displayed on your fingers. But because it's 11, and we're not just putting fingers up, we're using the grab method. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, right? We got 4 fingers up, but we're saying 7 because it's 11 minus 4. 4, it gave us 7. But when we do 11 minus 7, we're doing 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh, yeah, you can trust your hands. You just have to keep counting. I guess we stopped when we did 11 and then minus 7. We just did 10, 9, 8, 7. We just counted down to it and we seen that it was 4. But it works. Either way works. So to the viewers out there, comment what y'all think works best. We can do either the 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 7 fingers. Always trust your fingers. Or we can just count it. So on this one, I want you to always trust your fingers. Okay? Okay, let's do it. What does that one say?
9 plus 6.
Okay.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Good job.
15.
Yep. Trust yourself. Yeah, that wasn't a 5. Good job. Go to the next one. So this one. So if there's nothing there, always say blank plus 9 equals 15. Okay? So what I want to teach you right now is when you have a blank there, grab that number right there and then count up to that number. Okay? So I'll teach you, I'll do it for the first one. Or I'll do it for this one over here. Right? So we had 7 plus blank equals 11. So grab 7 and then just count up to 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. So that means you have 4, right? So I want you to try that. So 9 plus what equals 15? Grab 9 and then count up to 15.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
How many fingers do you have up?
6.
Good job. That's your answer. Go to the next one.
15.
What's it? What does this say? 15. What I told you this was blank.
Blank.
So 15 minus blank equals 6. So how do you think you're gonna figure that out? Let me see how you do it. How you would do it.
15, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8.
Try it again. Try it again. Try it again.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Nope, nope. Trust yourself. Trust yourself. You're right there, baby. Okay, so you had 15, and then you went down to 6. Okay? So when you grab 15 and you count down to 6, stop when you say the number 6 and see how many fingers you have up.
13, 14, 12, 11, 10,
Well,
9, 8, 7, 6.
so I want you to slow down when you're counting down from 15, okay?
Okay.
That way you make sure you're not missing a number. So go ahead, grab 15 and count down.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
How many fingers do you have up?
9.
There you go, baby. That's your answer. Good job. That's really good. So it gets a little tricky because go ahead, try that one.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
How many fingers do you have up?
10.
Nope. Try again.
Okay. 15, 14, 13, 14, 12. Okay.
Okay, look. Let's scratch that, right? Let's try this. 15, 14, 13. So this method is always called just trust your fingers. Trust what you can see, okay? Don't worry about what you hear. Trust what you can see on your fingers, always, okay? And we're gonna start back at the top and we're gonna practice a method. Watch that at 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, right? We're gonna always use the first number, so 15, and then we're gonna count down to 6, the second number, okay? And the answer is always gonna be on our hands. What's a little confusing with these ones is that this is what's happening. You're saying 15, and I understand it, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. But now you're saying 6, but you're seeing 9. So you like, okay, do I go with 9 on my finger or do I go with the last number I said out of my mouth, which was 6, right? You don't want to go with what you said. You want to go with what you see. Always go with what you see, okay? So grab 15, and if you're more comfortable counting up than you are down, that's okay too. But for this one, let's practice what it's asking us, and we're gonna say 15, lock in, baby. Come on, I know you're tired. It's okay. That's why I let you sleep in a little bit. 15, grab 15.
15,
14, 13.
13,
Let's count down properly, right?
Okay.
Slow down a little bit. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So how many fingers do we have up?
10. Nope.
Okay, look. It's okay, baby. This is what we're learning. So every time that you do like this, if you put both of your hands up, that's 10. If you put all your hands up, if you put all of your fingers up, that's 10. If you have your hand up, all of your fingers are out, that's always 5. You can't do 6, you can't do 7, it's gonna be 5. If you put one finger down, 4, 2 fingers down, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay? So if you just do like that, if you got one whole hand up, that's always gonna be 5. Until you put one finger up, then 4, 2 fingers down, 3 fingers down, 2, 1, 0. Okay? Don't worry about the camera. The camera is just there to record. It's a lot of 6-year-olds that are out there that are going through the same math, like progressions. That's all this is. We're just progressing, right? Okay? So what I want you to do here, let's try 15,
15,
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. All right? So we got 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9.
Right? So when you got your fingers up like this, an easy way to say is that's already 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Put 9 right there.
Okay.
And we're gonna redo this page, okay?
Okay.
Because I think it's 2 ways you can go about this page, and it can get a little confusing with your grab method. So Daddy will go through it, and I just want you, we're gonna practice it together, okay? Go ahead, take some of your drink. Drink some of your, sip some of your drink. It's fine, good job, baby. So we're gonna start up here, 4 plus 7.
11.
Right, but let's slow down. Parents, viewers, I want y'all to take y'all kids and practice this method, because if they're using the grab method, 9 times out of 10, they're gonna run into the same kind of like confusing or the same type of challenges, because it can, as we all know at math, a squared b squared equals c squared, but in this fat family in particular, it could get a little bit confusing. So when you grab 4, or you grab 4, 5, 6, 7, that's not your answer. Just because you said that number and you counted up to that number, you have to go past that number, right? So that's why when we're doing the fat family or we're doing any math, always trust your fingers, okay? So grab 4, or we said we're gonna grab the bigger number, 4 plus 7, so 7.
8, 9, 10, 11.
That's it. That's it. So we put up 4 fingers. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Always trust your fingers. The answer is gonna be on your fingers, okay? Always trust them, because what you say can confuse you a little bit. So if we go 11 minus 4, we wanna say 11, 10, nope, we're doing minus. So 11, 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Nope. We're gonna do it. So this one was 11 minus what equals 7. So we're gonna do 11, and then we're gonna subtract 7. So we need to put 7 fingers up. And what number is that gonna give us? We're gonna see. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. No, dang, I'm confusing myself. Oh shoot. How will we do that one? I'm a little confused now. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. because then that means it has to come out of your mouth. I don't know. Now I'm a little confused. Because obviously I understand that 11 minus 4 is 7. That's not the problem. The problem that I'm trying to figure out now, and all the teachers out there, please comment and help me out so I can learn better as a parent. Obviously I understand math in the Fat Family. I'm trying to get better at how to teach it to my son at home. If you do 11, because I want to say always trust your fingers, but if you're doing subtraction and it's 11 minus what equals 7, then you obviously have to do 11 minus 7 to get your answer. So if you do 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, the answer isn't 7. It's 4 that you said out of your mouth. So, comment, let us know the best way to figure that out. Or maybe the answer is that your fingers is not always right when it comes to math. What you say out of your mouth is right in math, and then what's displayed on your fingers is always right in addition. I mean, what you say out of your mouth is not always correct in subtraction, but I'm confusing myself.
We're both confused.
That's not good. I should have did that off camera. Whatever. All good. So just to recap, so that I don't super confuse you, I hope I can clear up the confusion. When we're doing addition, right? So 7 plus 4 or 7 plus blank equals 11. Always grab the number that you see and then count up to the number that it equals. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 4, right? And then when it's 11 minus blank equals 7, grab the number and then count down to what you see. So 11, 10, 9, 8, 7.
4.
4, right? So okay, I do it. So yeah, you can always trust your fingers. Always trust your fingers. In math and addition. So 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 4 fingers. 7 plus what equals 11? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Trust your fingers.
4.
Yep, that's it. So maybe I did figure it out. Y'all let me know. Am I just dumb? Am I stupid or something? Maybe I shouldn't use those words around a 6-year-old. I'm not. That's what math is. That's what, honestly, me, a guy that has taken statistics and accounting 1 and 2, I definitely understand that's what math is. Math sometimes can get a little tricky, but that's why you don't give up, right? Never give up. And you continue to try it. Continue to figure it out. One thing about math, it's a lot of ways to figure it out. And once you do what's comfortable with you. As long as you get the proper answer, that's all that matters, right? For the last paper, okay, so we got this again. Oh, that's perfect. So we get to work it again. Nice. So always trust your fingers. Trust your fingers regardless. So we have 8 plus what equals 13. So remember, we said we're going to grab that number and then count up to that number. So
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
how many fingers do you have up?
5.
There you go. We figured it out. We figured it out. We figured it out. Let's go. Okay. So now we got, what is that? What does that problem says?
5 plus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
There you go. So what is the answer?
13.
There you go. Good job. See that? No, we didn't figure. Oh my God. Okay. I know, because you had. Okay, go ahead. Go do that one. What does that one say?
13 minus 8.
Okay. So how do you think we're gonna solve that one?
13, 14, 15.
Minus means we go down.
13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8,
What number is that?
5. 5.
There you go. Good job. Okay, so here we go. What does that say?
13 minus
Blank.
blank equals 8.
Okay, so how do you think we're gonna do that one?
13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8.
There you go. What number is that?
5.
Hey, yeah! Hey, you know, are you smarter than a second grader? Maybe not. See, some parents, and I understand y'all may be like embarrassed, and y'all may like y'all probably would have cut this part out, or the part when we was trying to figure it out, y'all may have cut that out the video and be like, oh heck, nah, I don't want nobody to judge me, or I don't want people to think that I don't know math. Get rid of that fear. Get rid of that fear. When you're trying to figure out something, when you're trying to think of a creative way to teach your child, get rid of the fear of not knowing. Because if your child sees that, and I've always prided myself on, I want my son to see exactly how I do things. That way he can say, okay, my dad did it one way, and then once he get into that situation, he can say, okay, my dad did it that way, but I'm gonna take what he did and I wanna create my own way. That's the best thing you can do as a parent, is to let your child see how you face challenges and then overcome them. We're not cutting anything out of this video, right? We're going to let you guys see that we had challenges, we figured them out. We're gonna let you guys see that we had success, and we sped past certain problems. That's all this is. This whole channel, keeping up with Kiari. We're gonna let you guys see the math. We're gonna let you see the fun and see how we handle the challenges. So we showed him a way. I don't know what his brain took from that. However, he figured out how to get it done himself, and that's what it is. As a parent, I'm proud. So let's knock out these 4. Let's go. Let's see how you do these ones.
7 plus 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Yep.
16.
There you go.
Nine plus 16.
Nope, 9 plus blank equals 16. So if you don't see nothing there, you always say blank equals 16, right?
16, 17, 18.
Nope. Let's slow down a little bit.
Okay.
So we got addition, but we're missing a number, right? So whatever number that we need has to equal us to 16. So you can do 2 things here, right? But we're gonna practice what we've already been doing. So 9, so grab 9,
9,
and then count up to that number.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
What number is that?
7.
There you go. So how many fingers is that?
7.
Okay, good. So for now, how we're gonna work the fact family, I think I figured it out. Seriously. If it's addition, I know people out there watching, they'll be like, duh, why did you not think of that? If it's 9 plus blank, we're gonna grab 9, we're gonna count up to that number, right? And that'll give us that number. If it's a number minus blank, we're gonna count down to that number. So I want you to pay attention, okay? I'm gonna say that again so you hear me out and you can see. When it's 9 plus blank, we're gonna count up to that number. We're gonna grab that number, grab the number that we see, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And that'll give us 7. When it's 16 minus blank, we're gonna grab that number and then count down to that number, okay? So let me see you do it.
16 minus
Blank
blank 9
equals 9.
equals 9.
There you go.
16, 15, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9.
Did you count right? Nope.
Nope.
I don't think you did. So try it again. You counted down. You did the proper method. You missed the number when you was counting down from 16.
16, 15,
Yeah.
14,
Mm-hmm.
12.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
16. Let's do it together. It's okay. You right there. You right there. 16.
16.
15. 14. 13.
12. 11. 10. 9.
There you go. How many fingers do you have up?
7.
There you go. Good job, baby.
So we put 7.
Yep. There you go. One more time. So, what does it say?
16. 15.
Nope. Let's read the equation first.
16 minus
Blank.
blank equals 7.
There you go. So, how do we figure this out?
16. 15.
Mm-hmm.
14.
Yeah.
12.
Nope.
Okay.
You right there, baby. You right there. It's okay. Don't get down. You right there. We're going to figure it out together. So look. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are your foundation numbers. Right? Only thing that can happen after 10 is to put a 1 instead of the 0. So then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You move the 0 and it's back to a 1, right? So then it's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then after the 9, instead of saying 19 and then it goes to 20. So then you just move the 1 from 19 and then it's 20, right? So get comfortable counting down and counting up to 10. Once you understand those, and you do understand them, but we're going to practice them more because now I can see where we are and I'm seeing where the gray area is at. Now I understand, right? Get comfortable. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because that's all you're doing, baby. That's where you're slipping up at, and it's okay because now daddy understand it. 16.
16,
15,
15,
14, 13, nope, 13,
13,
12,
12,
11,
11,
10,
10,
9.
9.
There you go. How many fingers do we have? Well, we said 9. Oh, okay, wait. We're going to always trust our fingers. 9, 8, 7. 8, 7.
7,
Nope. So let's start over. Daddy confused you, and that's my fault. I'm sorry. 16,
16,
15,
15,
14,
14,
13,
13,
12,
12,
11,
11,
10,
10,
9,
9,
8,
8,
7.
7,
How many fingers do we have up?
9.
There you go. It's like 2 ways to do it. I'm kind of we're gonna pause for a second, right? And I want to explain this to you because you can easily get confused. So 16, and then we're gonna count down to 7. So 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Okay, so I counted down. I just put 7 fingers up. So I'm wondering if that's a true method. So let me try out something else. 16 minus 9, 16, and then count down to 9. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Okay, 16 and count down to 7. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Nah, that don't work. Okay. So what I was trying to do is see if it was a true fact family for the problem solving. It's like, okay, is it the same number if I grab 16 and go down to 7? Or will it show but it don't. All good. One thing I want parents out there, and I only have a 6-year-old. However, I want parents to be comfortable showing your kids how to solve challenges. I think oftentimes, as we see, a lot of people, when they get into confused or misunderstandings, they only know to get frustrated, they only know to shut down, they only know to get discouraged. If kids see parents work through the confusion on how to get an answer, I think that'll help them out. Because in school, they're going to encounter situations where they don't know, right? That's what math is, that's what reading is, that's what science is, that's what geography is, all of it. You don't know it until someone teaches you it. So, or teaches it to you. So if you can get them comfortable being uncomfortable at an early age, I think that'll help them out. So here we go. 11 plus 6.
11.
And then we count up.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
There you go. Good job, baby. There you go. Do that one.
23.
Well, so this one I want you to slow down on your grab. I want you to do, because it's double digits plus double digits, I want you to just do the right side first and then do this side. So I want you to just do 3 plus 5. And remember, we always said grab the bigger number first, okay?
5, 6, 7, 8.
There you go. So write 8 right below that, right below the 5. There you go. Now do the other side.
2, 3.
Good job. 38. Yep. So with these, I always want you to, when you first get to the problem, I want you to say 23. Say the number 23 plus 15. Okay? Okay, go ahead, do that one. So just hear me out. And I know that can get a little confusing at times, but it's gonna make sense, I promise, as you go into the 2nd grade. When you can grab the number, if it's below 10, go ahead, grab it. So 11, you see that number is below 10 because it's 6, right? I want you to grab that number. But you see 23 is above, or 15 is above 10. So I don't want you to try to count numbers that are above 10, right? So 23 plus 15, I want you to just do 3 plus 8. I mean, 3 plus 5 equals 8. 2 plus 1 equals 3. The answer is 38. But on 11 plus 6, I want you to be comfortable grabbing 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, right? Right here, 14 plus 4. You're comfortable to grab 14 and then count up 4 more, because you can do that on your fingers, right? So, I mean, if you want to, you can do 4 and then 5, 6, 7, 8, and then that'll give you 8, and then it's 1 plus blank, so it's just 1. That's fine. However, I still want you to be able to continue to use your grab method, okay? As the numbers get bigger. So go ahead. How would you do that one? Let me hear it.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Good job.
Seven, 8, 9.
Good job.
2, 3.
Good job.
14, 15, 16, 17. 6, 7. 2, 3. 9. 9.
Yeah. Good job, baby. Trust yourself. If it's 0, 9, and it's plus, 0.
3, 4, 5. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 10, 11, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Okay. Too far.
You cut that one off.
Don't do that no more.
Cut that one off.
Okay, go ahead. Do the bottom section.
7, 8, 9, 9.
Good job.
9.
Oh, my chair's so cool.
I'm wacky because you did something.
What did I do?
You were doing something not to do on here.
I shouldn't do that on the camera.
No. 7, 8, 9.
Yep.
7, 8, 9.
Good job.
And 2, 3, 4. 4.
That's good.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 22, 23, 24, 25. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 8, 9. 3, 4, 5.
Yes! Baby, oh my God. Give me 5. Put this pencil down. Give me 5. Oh my freaking gosh, Kiara. I'm so serious. I'm not even worried about the camera. I am so proud of you. I'm so proud of you because, listen, as you were going through these problems, like 27 plus 22 or 28 minus 31, right? You didn't try to do 31 and then count up 28 on your fingers, right? You said, okay, real quick, okay, 28 and 31, I just want to do 8 plus 1. I want to do 2 plus 3, and then I give me 59. But then on 13 plus 6, you were quick. It was like 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I'm so proud of you, baby. I'm so freaking proud of you. Oh my gosh. Give me a hug. We're going to GameStop today.
Yeah!
We're going to GameStop. I'm so proud of you, baby.
Let's go!
Because listen, that's how you take and use whatever is best for you at that moment, okay? And that's what math is. Sometimes it's going to get a little challenging. You might have learned this way. Somebody else might know this way. Just because your classmate does it a different way than you do it, long as y'all get the same answer, it's multiple ways to get it done, okay? Give me 5. Go get your shoes on. Get you some socks. We're going to GameStop. That was really good. I'm freaking proud. I am freaking proud. Because the whole time I'm sitting over here like, bro, I just confused my child. Oh my gosh, he's gonna be confused. And maybe the problem is I just need to shut up. I'm the problem. I just need to shut up and let the expert do what he does. That's it. Maybe parents, I'm trying to throw everybody in there now with me. Maybe parents, maybe we're the problem. Maybe we just need to be quiet and let our kids just go. Let our kids just go. So that wraps up day 2, keeping up with Kiari, addition and subtraction. He did amazing. We got through the challenging part that Dad caused the confusion. I'm pretty sure if I probably would have just let him go, he probably could have got it done sooner. All good. Going forward, I'll just shut up because as we discovered today, Dad is the problem. Dad is the problem. I'm just gonna be quiet. Thank y'all for tuning in. Come back tomorrow for episode 3.